This is Travis Rogers with I Love My Dentist. I'm here with Cindy from Sleep Group Solutions. Thanks for joining us, Cindy.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us about Sleep Group Solutions.
Well, we're a dental continuing education company. We hold 16 CE courses nationwide. We also teach the instrumentation on how to treat snoring and sleep apnea in dental practices.
Nice, nice. Well, sleep medicine and sleep apnea is a very hot topic in the dental market. I know you guys are the leader in the field. How's our audience get in touch with you?
They could visit our website at www.sleepgs.com, or they could give a call to our call center, and that's 855-978-6088.
All right, thanks for joining us, Cindy.
All right, thank you so much for having me.